What's the meaning of bas-relief? Bas-relief. Bas-relief.
Bas-relief. Bas-relief. Bas-relief is a form of sculpture that involves carving or molding a design in a flat, shallow surface. The term bas comes from the French word for low, and relief means the sculpture projects from the surrounding material. Bas-relief artworks can be found all around the world, from ancient Egyptian temples to Renaissance cathedrals. They are often used to decorate architectural features like columns or walls, and they can feature any subject matter from mythical creatures to historic events. Bas-reliefs offer a unique way to add depth and texture to flat surfaces and have been used throughout history as a way to showcase artistry and craftsmanship.